Hi mga kawaps! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your quiz Owel Jiao. Ang lahat ba ay nakatanggap na ng email galing kay YouTube? At meron tayong bagong update kay YouTube, yung kanilang tax, US tax na kailangan natin i-update dahil malapit na mag-expire yung mga may tax sa inyo ngayon 2024. Kailangan ma-update na yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe Owel Jiao TV. Paki-like and share na rin po yung mga video natin para sa mas marami pang vlog na gagawin natin. Gusto ko lang din i-take itong opportunity nito para pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa atin at 5,000 subscriber na tayo. Please continue to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. So eto na nga ang update mga kawaps dito sa US tax na kailangan nating i-update kay Google. At eto nga nagpadala ng email si Google sa atin at para i-update ang ating US tax. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Google AdSense at makikita nyo rito yung payments. I-click nyo lang yung payments information. Pagkatapos sa next page nito makikita nyo itong payments account ninyo. Click nyo lang yung manage settings at mapupunta kayo dito sa may United States info at makikita nyo itong maliit na lapis. Click nyo lang yan at pag click nyo yan mapupunta kayo dito sa manage tax info. Okay, at sa baba ng United States Form W8BEN, pakiclick dito yung show tax details and documents. Ayan yung inyong i-click. Makikita rin dito kung kailan kayo huling nag-submit ng tax. So after nun, click nyo lang yung submit new form. Ayan guys, start kayo ng new form. Dito naman, kailangan yung ilagay yung password nyo na ginamit nyo dun sa inyong Google AdSense. At ito na, magbubukas na ito sa payment info. At ito, pwede nyo na siyang sagutan yung mga questions dito. Ang unang tanong nga rito ay kung anong type ng account meron kayo at ilagay nyo nga lang dyan, individual. Ang susunod na tanong naman ay kung anong citizen kayo or nakatira ba kayo sa US. Siyempre, lalagay nyo dyan is no. And then, click nyo lang yung next. At sa baba naman yan ay makikita nyo dito yung W8 tax form type. At syempre, i-click nyo dito yung WBEN. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals yan. And then, click nyo lang yung start W8BEN. So, sa mga nagtatanong naman kung hanggang kailan pwede itong gawin, hanggang end of 2024 nyo lang pwedeng gawin itong tax updating. Ang susunod naman natin gagawin ay makikita nyo itong tax identity nyo, yung pangalan nyo, at kung saan kayong bansa, siyempre, lagay nyo yung Philippines. Tapos, nandun din yung TIN ninyo. Kung meron kayong TIN number, pakilagay na lang yung TIN number ninyo. And then, click nyo yung next. Dito naman, sa address ninyo, siyempre, Philippines, at ilalagay nyo yung address. Kung meron kayong binagong address, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. At siyempre, ayan, permanent resident address is PO Box. Click nyo lang yon kung meron kayong mga binago dyan. At kung wala naman kayong binago at same pa din yung address nyo, i-click nyo lang yung maliit na box dyan na nakalagay doon na same address pa rin yung gagamitin ninyo. At pagkatapos nun, i-click nyo lang yung next para mapunta kayo sa second page. Ayan guys. Dito naman sa second page, yung tax treaty, ito na yung sasagutan natin. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Siyempre, i-click natin dyan, yes. Sa baba nun, nandun na naman yung hahanapin nyo kung anong country kayo. Ilagay nyo syempre Philippines kung nasa Pilipinas kayo. Pagkatapos sa baba nito, meron tatlong box dito na i-click nyo, isa-isa nyo sasagutan yan. Kagaya nitong una ay Article 13 and Paragraph 2A, 15% reduce, click nyo lang din yan. And sa baba yung box, click nyo rin. Sagutan nyo rin yung Article Paragraph 8 and Paragraph 1. Withholding tax natin yan is 0%. Tapos click nyo rin yung box dyan. At itong panghuli, yung motion, pictures, and TV royalties, Article 13, Paragraph 2A, 15% reduce at i-click nyo rin yung box na yan. And after that, click nyo yung next para mapunta kayo sa susunod na page. And next, sa activities and services performed in the US, click nyo lang yung no. And then I certify that service provider to Google blah blah blah, pasahin nyo na lang yan at click nyo dyan I accept the properties delivery agreement. Okay, at eto na yung next step na gagawin nyo. Kiklik nyo lang yung I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax document to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Check nyo lang po yan. Tapos, yung kulay blue dyan na form ay pwede nyo rin i-click para makita nyo yung mga sinagutan nyo. And eto na yung pinaka-last, yung certified and signed. Tapos, click nyo lang yung box na yan. I agree that I will submit. And click nyo yung yes. And then, yung full legal name yung ilagay nyo and then submit. So, ayun guys, okay na. At makikita nyo rito na na-approve na yung ating tax at kung kailan nyo siya sinubmit at kung kailan siya may expire. So, hanggang dito na lang mga kawaps at sana nakatulong sa inyong video neto para sa inyong tax sa Google AdSense. See you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant